Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you multiple methods on how to fix your notifications on Snapchat. So let's go ahead and get right into the first method. For this method, you want to go to your settings. It might be located at different places on each phone, but you're looking for a notifications tab, as you can see. Right here, notifications. You want to go ahead and scroll down all the way down to Snapchat. From here, you want to go ahead and click it, and then you can turn on and off allow notifications. There's also different notifications such as toggling your lock screen, notification center, and banners. You can also find Snapchat if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom of settings. It will show your apps as well. It's also in alphabetical order. Just find it again. It will show you the exact same screen once you go to notifications, as you can see. Another way to fix this is if you actually go to the Snapchat app. You then want to click on your Bitmoji and go to settings in the top right. You then want to scroll down, and then you'll see notifications underneath two-factor authentication. From here, you can toggle on and off a lot of different notifications on Snapchat, such as your Bitmojis, your stories from friends, trending public content, friend suggestions. There's so many different things that you can turn on and off. And at the very bottom, you can also click manage story notifications, but you can change all of these. But that's about all you can do to change notifications on the Snapchat. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video.